Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to configure your Kali Linux by installing a very useful tool called BleachBit. First, make sure your Kali Linux is set up to date. You open your terminal like this. Then you type this command sudo apt-get install BleachBit. Yes, type in the command you are seeing on the screen. I will leave it in the description for you guys to see well. So when you are done, just hit enter and then your installation will begin. Once installation is done, you can open BleachBit from your applications menu. It has both a regular and a root mode. The root mode gives you deeper cleaning options, but be careful when using it. So, now inside BleachBit, you will see several cleaning categories like system cache, temporary files, and logs. This is all about BleachBit. You can tick the ones you want to clean, then click clean, or you can right click on it, then you go through the options and then you select clean. Then it will clean the space and everything you want. On your computer, it will show you how much space you can free up and you clean it up. And that's it. You have successfully installed BleachBit on Kali Linux and cleaned your system. Just perfect, so delicious. 这个时刻太美好，轻轻哼着歌谣，一切都刚刚好，巧克力蛋糕，甜而不腻，搭配咖啡正好。就像这个下午，简单却美妙。音乐轻轻流淌，我们相视微笑，在咖啡香里沉醉。Everything is so nice, just perfect.